Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Good evening. Today I'm going to show you my pet fishes. Uh, I'm growing pet fishes in outdoor in a fridge box and also in a tub. So I'm going to give some details about this setup. You can see this is the fridge box in which I'm growing some mollies and guppies. There are black mollies and guppies, HP red rose guppies. You can see them. This is the setup. I put some net over the fridge box in order to avoid some birds uh, picking up my fishes. So this net serves that purpose. So it will protect fishes from outdoor scavengers or predators like birds. So you can see the movement of fishes in the tub. You can see I will just open this. See, you can see the number of fishes here. See, these are the fishes I am growing outdoor. You can see HP red rose guppies and also black mollies. How beautiful they are. So today itself I put this almond leaf in order to control the pH level of water. So almond leaf basically do that work. So it will balances pH level of water and keep water pH level under limits, which is very healthy for the fishes. See how I also put some water plant here. So you can see it is growing very rapidly and fishes are in very good condition. You can see the fishes here. And many fishes are giving birth to new fries in the same tub itself. The fries are hiding under these water plants. So you can see the fry also here. See the fries. You can see the fries. One fry is moving around. So it is very. If you have a hobby, then this type of setup serves a lot. So it will. It is very nice and it gives a pleasant feeling when you see these fishes, whenever you see these fishes thriving in this fridge box. So this is the setup of my fridge box, and beside you can see an isolated tub in which I put some pregnant guppies. So there are some pregnant fishes here. So I put this, I'll let you know update soon about this. There are some pregnant fishes I put in this tub, and after they give fries, then I'm going to update this in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.